What's going on, guys? Today I've got 5 brand new themes. These are all from July, and 2 of them are for the Dreamboard application, and I've got 3 just for Winterboard. So this one, the first one here, is called Blueline HD. As you can see, you've got some pretty cool animations on the lock screen. Everything is pretty much themed. You can see that there's a themed keyboard there, and the actual keyboard makes clicking noises that are a bit different, if you can listen here. And a cool little themed sound to actually go into your iPhone from unlocking. So it's a pretty cool theme overall. Let me just show you a couple of the customized buttons and whatnot. Your edit button, plus button, all these arrows in the side here. This is from the actual iPhone or the phone application. You've got your completely customized keys, and then this call button at the bottom here to actually make your phone call. So yeah, everything here is themed. Let me jump into Safari here. You've got your themed bar at the bottom, like your navigation bar. Pretty cool. And then if you scroll along here, you can see that pretty much all of my applications are themed here. I've got tons of applications, from the regular stock ones like photo, camera, calendar, to Facebook and Cydia and things that aren't exactly stock. Not everything is themed. Like I've got display recorder here that's not themed, and a few other themes a few other applications like Dreamboard. But a lot of it is themed. A lot of the games that you can get from the App Store, all that kind of stuff is all themed. So really cool theme. Check this one out. I'll leave all of the links for the repos and everything right here at the bottom of the screen, or you can just check it out in the description below for this one. Alright, so the next theme I've got here is called X Lion Ultimatum. Now I did do a separate video for this one, so you can just click this little video right here and kind of get a more in-depth view. It's like 11 minutes long, so it's a really long overall kind of review of this theme, but I'll just go over this one really quickly here. Basically, this one's for Dreamboard. You can just open it up by going into your Dreamboard application. It takes a couple seconds to load there, and it's a really nice theme in general. You've got tons of different options here. At the bottom along your dock, you've got the Finder. This will just go through plenty of different locations, almost like locations on your hard disk, like in an actual Mac. You can go from desktop to documents to games to utilities, all that kind of thing, just like you would on your actual Mac computer. Exit out there. Applications, if you pull that up from the dock there, it will just give you a list of all your applications in alphabetical order along the top there. So that's pretty cool as well. Overall, it looks just like a Mac, feels like a Mac. Obviously the actual use is a little bit different than a Mac being on an iPhone, but pretty cool theme in general. You can open some applications from the top bar along the top there, get some information here. You can put it to sleep, which will just lock it, and I'll show you how it looks when you unlock it. Actually, all you have to do is tap to unlock it, which is kind of different from what we're used to here, but I think if you log out, yeah, that'll just bring you back to your switcher. So it's a pretty cool theme. Definitely give that one a check out. I'll leave the link for the repo right here along the bottom, and you can also check it out down below. I'll have all the links for the repositories down below. This one's free from the Insanely I repo. Not sure if you can get it from any other repo, but yeah, go ahead and check this one out. It's called X Lion Ultimatum. So this next theme I've got for you guys is called Woodburnt HD. This one's from the modmyi repo. You can get it for $1.99. Now you can get this theme from other repos for free. You can find those ones on your own. So right off the top, it looks like you've got a really nice kind of themed scroll lock from the lock screen, and a little Woodburnt title along the bottom there. So let's unlock it here. Now you've got the whole number pad is also themed, and the whole lock screen, the top here as well as the bottom. So let's log in, if we can get our password right. There we go. So pretty well all of your applications here are all themed. Not all of the applications are themed, like some of the games here, but most of them for the most part are all themed. If we jump into our Safari, you can see that the bottom kind of navigation dock along the bottom there is themed, as well as the top here where you enter your URL or Google search. I don't think anything in the, nothing really for the main keypad in your phone, but the bottom part here is themed as well. Nothing for the messages. Messages is just the same as it always is. But as far as your actual springboard, the look of the springboard itself, you got lots of themed things going on here. The status bar along the top also themed. So this one's pretty cool. And also, I'm not sure if this one comes with its own wallpaper, but what I did was I found a really cool wallpaper. It's kind of like a wooden wallpaper, and I just saved it from the internet. and I used it as my background. So it's kind of like a dark wooden wallpaper. Hopefully you guys can see that a little bit better maybe from the side view there. But it's a really cool wallpaper, and it goes along really well with this theme. So definitely give this theme a look in the Cydia store, and if you can find it from some of those other repos, it is free, so go ahead and check that one out. Alright, so the next theme I've got for you guys is called Gyro HD. Now this is the white version. The white version did just come out in July, but the actual Gyro theme has been around for a while. This one is for Dreamboard, so you can just actually open it up from Dreamboard and select whatever thing you want there. So these are kind of the applications that I've got, or the themes that I've got from Dreamboard, but just go ahead and click Gyro HD. So this is a pretty cool theme in general. Lots of different customizations and whatnot. You can go ahead and set your weather. Not sure exactly how to set the weather, because when you click set weather there, it just gives you a number pad. So I don't know if I'm keying in my area code, like my postal code or zip code or whatever, to get the weather. But anyhow, let's just continue along. You can set your wallpaper if you want to as well. So if I don't like that wallpaper, you can set it. So there's a couple different kind of urban city wallpapers, kind of like a sunrise city wallpaper, and pretty much a lot of city wallpapers. And then this one's kind of like a nighttime city wallpaper. So let's keep it at this one for now. You can just tap this to keep that setting. Now there's a couple different widgets you can set as well. I haven't gotten too far into it to see how to set these widgets. This one defaults to Facebook, but you should be able to set it to Twitter or Google as well. So you can actually search right from kind of where the spotlight search would regularly be. Now you can also turn the weather on or off. Usually you'll either get kind of like a sun, so it'll actually show you if it's sunny, or it'll actually give you clouds, so clouds will start scrolling from left to right. So it's kind of like an animated weather, much like what you would get on like an HTC theme. And then of course you've got your dock at the bottom. It's got the phone, or let me get out of here, phone, SMS, iPod, and this applications button kind of just takes you to some customized applications. So there's favorites here, there's apps, there's games, and there's Cydia. So it kind of categorizes all of your different applications, which is cool. You don't really get that in your regular iPhone Springboard. So go ahead and check this one out, guys. It's a pretty nice theme. It looks really nice. This one's for Dreamboard. It's called Gyro HD, and this is the white version. This is from the X Lion repo. I'll leave the link right there at the bottom or in the description below. Alright, so the last theme that I've got for you guys is called Shift White. The original theme called Shift has been out for a while now, but they just released the white version, much like Gyro HD. Now this one is from the ZodTTD and MacCiti repo for $3, but you can find this theme from some other repos for free. So go ahead and check this one out from Cydia. It's a pretty nice theme as far as all the icons and whatnot being pretty well themed. You've got your regular stock icons as well as icons like Facebook, Cydia, as well as themed display recorder, weather, and all of these different games and applications as well, all themed. Everything from Angry Birds to Backbreaker to Google Plus, which is a brand new application, the actual Google Plus application already themed, which is pretty impressive. So they just keep coming out with updates. Definitely check this one out, because you know that when a developer is giving out updates constantly, especially as new as the Google Plus application, then he's pretty serious about his theme. So go ahead and check this one out. Pretty well everything is themed. Let me just give you a little tour there. So you've got your number pad themed here as well. You can probably see it better in that side view there. Now the only complaint that I have about this theme is that it's a little bit dark, so you kind of have to turn your brightness up to see it a little bit better. But it's a really nice theme in general. You can actually see that it's got a lot of different loading icons there, so the actual wallpaper changes when you load different applications. So what I decided to do for this theme, because I don't think it comes with a wallpaper, is I saved my own wallpaper just from Googling, you know, something like technology black wallpaper HD, and I got this wallpaper here. It's pretty nice. I just saved it, and it works really well with this theme because I don't think it comes with a wallpaper built in. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Definitely going to be getting a lot more Cydia themes and tweaks. I've already got a little bit of a list to go through and make some videos on. So definitely subscribe, hit that subscribe button above if you're not subscribed already. Like the video if this video helped you, or you liked any of the themes or tweaks that you saw. Follow me on Twitter over here. at TechProdigy7, and go ahead and add me on Google Plus as well. So thanks guys for watching again. I'll see you guys later. Peace.